hey, it's going to be a hot one.
Yeah, another hot one.
More muggy than hot.
Yes.
Right? So, yeah, just a little updated video to give you some news, I guess, on Specialty Repairs Custom Mods. We now sell MX and LX mods for those machines. We did it a little different this time. In the past, what we used to do is we get a machine in and we would do one mod and introduce it, do two mods and introduce it, and then everybody was accusing us of doing using YouTube as a marketing tool. Hey folks, that's exactly what it is. It's a marketing tool and an information tool. So for those who don't like it, well, just don't watch it. But it's our way of getting the word out. And we've had a lot of inquiries about both tractors. Well, all tractors. We just can't do it all. So what we've done, our website is updated now. We have all the mods we're going to do for the LX. If we see a lot of interest in it, because the LX is still pretty new, we will continue to develop items for it. And the same thing with the MX. MX is a great tractor as well, you know, and there's lots of potential there for nice mods. We were into Newfoundland Canada yesterday, and we spent, I guess, a couple hours there for sure.
Sure.
New service manager, great guy. Talked to the guys in the shop, great people. And of course, trouble that everybody's having, no matter if you're into tractors or into vehicles, whatever, is getting product now because of COVID-19. But they're holding their ground, and they're all as busy as beavers in there, and we appreciate them spending a bit of time with us. So, like I say, so the MX and the LX now has mods for those people who's been calling, emailing, you know.
Yes,
you deal with them, I don't know, right?
Quite a few.
We are starting to discontinue some items. Some items such as the stealth module, that's gone. So whoever got a stealth module now got a very rare item. It will never be produced again. The problem was with the stealth module wasn't the fact that it wasn't selling, because it was. Every one we built, we sold. The problem was with it, very, very time consuming. So any profit that was being made was getting eat up in labor, because the elite module, especially because the elite module, we sold it as a plug and play. Basically, when you got it, you put it on your ROPS, you tightened it down, you adjusted your lights and hooked up 2 wires, and there was your switches up top, and you just went to work. But it took a lot of time to wire it. I can say they probably took me a day and a half each module to build. So that's gone, and there's a few more items like that will be going soon. So if you've got any plans of buying anything for a BX especially, you might want to get on the website and have a look, because it's probably not, there's a lot of things for the BX that's not going to be there much longer. There's a flaw, I'm not waving there, but there's a flaw here. Right? So that's about the news, you know.
Yeah, that's right, that's the news.
So we're busy as beavers as well. We got things to build and orders to fill, and you got packaging to do. And
oh yeah.
so I guess we better get at it, eh?
We better get to it.
And we'll see you the next time around, folks. We'll try to have a funnier video. This was more business.
Yes.
This was more like promoting. So if you go up in the video description, our link is there for the website for those who aren't familiar with it, and you can click on it, and then you can, if you don't see your tractor listed, go over to the right hand corner, you'll see more, click on more, and then you'll see all the tractors that's listed. And then if you see something you like, Kathy's email address is there, and she will surely help you out. And that's about it, eh?
That's about it.
Super cool, isn't it?
That's super cool.
So we got 60% chance of rain or drizzle today. Tomorrow it's going to be sunny, but again it's going to be hot. So I want to spend my time in there with the AC on bus. We were out last night late, and Kathy was sitting by the computer out there, and she was going,
oh my goodness, it was cold.
62 degrees. Gotta love it. I wish I could get it down to 50.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then again, you know, welding and using mucklucks is not really that
Not a
good.
good combination.
Yeah, no, really. So, you know, and probably survival suit on, not good, right?
No.
Anyway, folks, you guys take care. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you next video. Take care, and God bless.